friends, and today my brother and me will be unboxing the Galaxy slime kit he received for his birthday gift. So first, what we're going to do is open it, and first we have the Galaxy slime kit instructions. Then we have these stickers to decorate these molds, and we have a star-shaped mold and a circle-shaped mold that you can put the slime in. Then in this we have color, glitter flakes, glow-in-the-dark powder, some stars, a cap for your activator, and 3 spoons and 1 measuring spoon, some black foam beads, 3 bowls, purple, pink, and blue, some activator that has water in it, some glue, some measuring cups, some pink, silver, blue, and purple glitter for your slime to look like Galaxy, containers to put your slime in, and the stuff you put your slime in at, or cover. Then, first what we are going to do is take balls. I need you. So then we would fill in the glue in the measuring cup. And then I know what I'm doing. It's over here somewhere. It's here somewhere. Okay, it's okay. It's a cap. Okay, so Muhammad, so we are going to first put the glue inside the measuring cups so we don't spill a lot of it or use too much of it. And with clear glue you have to add water, but we're taking a small little risk. It still works if you don't add water, but in water the texture and it is more helpful. Hey, that's yours. Here you go. So, we will both take some glue and pour it in, and then we will, the mess we made with the glue, will clean it up. And then we can use. No, we're not using activator next. We are actually going to decorate our slimes next. Okay, I'm not doing it. Hey, no. Silly. I want to First we have to let the glue, it still has a lot more. I think we're gonna have to probably later use a spoon to scoop the rest up, but for now we're just gonna clean this up a little bit. And and this cap is for the glue, and the other cap for the borax is inside the bag. And there's also spoons, so I guess we both can take a spoon and we can scoop all of the rest of the glue out from our measuring cup and then mix our glue a little bit, because when you mix your glue, it makes you a better slime. Like in the beginning, we're gonna mix it without anything. So, yeah.
Okay, time to turn into the egg yolk.
And Even if you have water and you don't want to use it, then that's fine because it's not super duper bad when your slime is made. Okay, so because we have mixed our glue a little, then we will add some accessories.
Yeah, we can add this.
Wait, do you want me to put it in the measuring cup for you?
Yes.
Where's yours?
Okay, the measuring.
Oh, this is mine. This is mine, I think.
Yeah, that's yours.
Well, that's yours. Anyway, so we'll put these stars in. These star glitters. So, okay. So, okay. Oh, ooh. So, that's, I think, the stars for you. And I think I'm also going to add stars to my slime because I really want it with stars.
What did I get this out with?
You can use your spoon, you know. So first we're gonna scoop it out with our spoon. I think I'm gonna have to use the pink spoon for that because my other spoon is dipped in too much glue.
Mine is yay.
Okay, so first I'm just gonna take all these stars off of my spoon and then put them in somehow. Or I think I'm gonna take them all in my hand and I'll scoop them in with the purple spoon that they gave us. And then we'll mix the stars in. So like, soon as our stars are mixed in, we would add anything else. Do you want any colors? Purple, blue, pink?
I want blue.
Okay, blue?
Yes. They're getting messy. My hands are getting messy.
Yeah, it is messy, but fun for every child.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, but the end one can't touch it or anything.
Yeah, 3, 2, and 1, it's not safe for them.
And
because they might, and 0 because they might eat the slime. So make sure if you have babies around your house, you should keep it away from them because otherwise, you might make them eat it.
What's the year
and then you can put your slime coloring in, which I'm trying to open mine, but it's not opening, so I'm just going to use pink because I do not want to spend too much time opening the colors.
I know you're done.
So I'm only adding a little bit pink because if you add too much coloring, then it would dark, and I really want light pink. So let's try.
What
So first we're gonna mix it.
What might be? Oh, good cool.
Yeah, it will look even cooler when we add a few foam beads. Do you want them?
Yes, I need them. Now I know. See? How pretty mine is. Oh, you just added too much.
Okay, so these foam beads are pretty cool because usually you can use them for other crafts too if you ran out of slime today. So
I have some more glue, but I'm
yeah,
not.
so I think we can use a lot of foam beads. Anyway,
What are the
so
other
you'll mix really well because we need a perfect consistency, so it shouldn't be like too like much stuff inside. So I think the last thing that I'm gonna
get that.
Okay, so do you want silver, pink, or blue, or purple?
But you
I
know.
think you should add silver.
Yeah, silver. I think. See how good mine is.
I don't think it's opening.
Let's see mix mine.
Okay, so since mine isn't opening, and this isn't opening,
I will use this.
I think you're supposed to pull it out. So I'm just gonna pull a little bit, and then I don't think we're adding glitter. So yeah, so I don't think we're going to add glitter because I think probably it needs a stronger person than me to open it. But should we add glow in the dark powder, or should we save it for different times?
We just save it.
Mm-hmm.
Will use it.
And then we can both use these purple glitter flakes.
Oh, paper glitter flakes. You have to add that in mine to see how messy mine. But mine,
and I think probably the last thing we're probably going to add that is like really, I don't know, cool. It's like pretty cool.
my Sam gets like my Sam is getting so cool.
Yeah, it's like these. Or should we use them later? Yeah, I'm gonna use them later.
Me too.
So first we're gonna mix it.
We can use this.
Sure. But I think that's right now too much stuff in your slime. And I think you should get all your golden stars out. And then make sure you get everything out of the measuring cup you're using. You don't need a measuring cup if you don't want to use it. And right now, the last thing we're going to do is probably add some activator. And the activator, what I like to do with the activator always is that whenever we make the activator, since it's like sometimes our bowls are messy or sometimes we add too much, I like to put it inside a measuring cup so we don't put too much of it in, and then we'll put it in. Okay, so after we put it in, we can pour it if we want to, and we can
This is getting lost again.
Yeah, and then I think when yours is getting too wet, Muhammad, I think we can put it inside, put it on your hands, and then wait a few minutes.
Oh, it's so sticky.
And we have to knead it now with our hands, which is going to help our slime, because otherwise it's going to be really sticky and messy. But as soon as you knead it for a few minutes, your slime should turn really nice and non-stick. So sometimes you can also use
Mine is a body
in your bowl.
Mine is a body animal.
Mine is still watery, so I'm just gonna scoop up all the slime that went on my hand, because mine, half of it is watery, and I would take it on my hands And if you want to make a bigger slime, that's up to you guys, because
we wanted to make the smallest.
yeah, because we didn't have enough big bowl. We didn't have a big bowl to use, and we also want to make a small slime so you can always store it somewhere, because otherwise on big slimes you might have to get big containers.
Yeah, we don't have big containers right now. So maybe we'll make a good that slime, but no. Okay, now. Then we have small container to put the slime in.
So then you would put all the slime that was left in your bowl all inside here. And you would also...
It's good, Roddy.
Not anymore.
No.
Then you'll scoop it from this here.
Oh my.
This measuring cup, you'll scoop all the slime from there too, because you don't want to make it messy. And then you can play with it, like stretch it.
Yeah, sometimes
you can put your fingers in it. It relaxes your fingers too.
Maybe
this is basically also a stress reliever and also a fun toy.
Maybe it's not sketchy.
Yeah, if it's not that stretchy, it's fine.
Yeah.
Because I have made a lot of slimes that are not so stretchy.
Yeah, I one time made it in a unicorn slime kit.
Okay, so now we're gonna just clean up our hands with the slime, and the rest we can clean up in the sink. And we'll...
You mean with water?
Yeah, with water inside the sink, and
we're not gonna go inside this sink. You almost put inside this sink.
So then you would take all the slime from the leftovers and you'll put it inside your bowl.
I want this boy. It's my boy. But we have a bit of boy than a slime, but we didn't want to make that big slime.
Okay, so I think we can use
I'll show you guys.
We can both get caps, and
okay, where's my cap? Where's my cap?
It's because they're stuck.
Oh,
so
yeah. Where are they stuck?
Even on each other. So
the cap?
Yeah, so we're just gonna try our best to get them out and then put them in, and then we'll be done. And this is pretty fun to make some slimes with your kid.
Yeah. Do you have a unicorn one?
They already know. Okay. Here we go. We've got a cap for you, and also the cap for me. And guys, we can contain them in and save them for a lot of days, and then clean the mess up. Okay. So, bye guys.
Bye.